Hey guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be opening up this subscription box that just arrived on my doorstep from Archer and Olive. I have no idea what's inside, so I'm really excited to see this. If you'd like to see my first reactions, keep watching. Okay, so can we first talk about how beautiful this box is? You know I'm a fan of yellow, and like this just speaks to me on every single level. And I was really excited to get it. Now, before I open up these boxes with you guys, they have quarterly subscription boxes, and I subscribe. I used to get them for free. Now that I'm not on the brand ambassador team anymore, I actually purchase them myself. But I don't like to look at spoilers ahead of time just because I have a YouTube channel and I want to show you like my surprise. So sometimes I might get confused about like what things are or whatever. It's because I really have not looked into it yet. So this looks fun though. I have no idea what to expect with this. So let's get started. I do have an affiliate code with Archer and Olive. It is Bumble, no, not Bumble. It is PWB10 for 10% off their products. That does not include the subscription boxes, however, or the mystery boxes. This subscription box comes out quarterly, and if you sign up, you automatically will get them each time, but you can, if you want, just try it out, purchase one box, and then like stop. So you don't have to keep going if you don't like it. It's always a really, really good value. So I will link it for you in the description box. I would appreciate it if you use my affiliate link. Like I said, codes don't apply, but it does help me out if you use my link. And as of the filming of this, there were still boxes available, but I don't know for sure if they are or not at this time, but you can go check it out. If not, next time you can get in, you know, if you subscribe now, then next time you can get a box. Okay, enough talking from me. I know sometimes I get wordy in the beginning of these videos and you're probably annoyed. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's too tall to show you, but here's what it looks like. Ooh, I love the colors already. As I said, you know I love yellow. Oh my gosh, calligraphs. Calligraphs. Let's look at those first. Let me move this out of the way. I just got a bunch of new calligraphs and acrylographs. They came out with a bunch of new colors, and I was going to do a video on those, but I've been moving my office, as you probably have guessed by now. I'm moving into a new space, and I just did not have the time to film a video on it. So let me know in the comments if you would like a video on it, and I will try my best to give that to you. Let me grab a piece of paper here so that I can look at these colors with you. Okay, so the calligraphs are brush pens. They are sort of similar to like a Tombow dual brush pen, except they have two sides that are brushes, one big and one small. They came out with these last year, and I have been loving these. They're really good for new brush letterers because this tip is actually pretty hard. If you have like, I'll show you the difference between this and a Tombow, but if you have like brush pens and the tip is really soft, it's gonna be harder for you to learn brush lettering on them just because these are easier to control. So that's what I like about these, and they just kind of are very smooth and flowy. So let's try it. Ooh. You guys, this is, I know I say like yellow is my favorite color, but this color yellow is my favorite color. Like the golden yellow that's like, I guess, what is it, like sunflower? I don't know. Anyway, these are really smooth, easy to work with, and they just feel good. So I really am loving this new line of pens from Archer and Olive, and I'm very glad, whoops, that they put some in this box. Okay, so then the other side is always a little bit different of a color. Not always, sometimes. I'm not gonna do the whole word, but you get my point. Okay, let's check out this color. Ooh. Do these have, oh, they do have names, wait. This one's Toucan Orange. This one is Blue Lagoon. This is really pretty. I love the bright colors. So nice. Let's check out this side. It's the same as that. So sometimes they're different and sometimes they're the same. I'm not sure why, but that's how it is. This is Parakeet. So I think we've got a tropical themed box from the clues on these pens. Ooh, look at that. So pretty. This one feels a little dry, actually. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see me swatch these pens at any time. Whoa, look at that one. What's this called? Jungle Green. Ooh, it's very dark green. It might look black on the screen. And then this one's called Marsh Green. Ooh, very pretty pale green here. Really nice. Okay. So there are your 5 calligraph pens that are included in this box. That one's my favorite. That one's my second favorite. Just saying. Okay. Let's move on and see what else is in here, you guys. Like I said, I think there's a theme going on. So we have a set of 2 enamel bookmarks. Ooh, it is a jungle theme. Look at this. That's so pretty. Those are gorgeous. Let's take them out. So they're like enamel, obviously, but like this gold color. So pretty. Got some leaves and a little leopard guy here. These look really beautiful. These kinds of things look really beautiful in like Instagram photos and stuff. So I will definitely be using those. And of course, as a bookmark. Okay, what's this? This is heavy. What is it? I don't know. It's a surprise box. Ah, it's a little notepad. Look at this. Ooh, look at these colors. Okay, so we have a dot grid notepad. Look how pretty these colors are. The one thing I love about the Archer and Olive boxes is that the colors and themes like all coordinate together. So you have like a really cohesive box and you can just start playing and doing your bullet journal spreads or doing your planner spreads with everything in this box. And it's all like cohesive, you know, so it's all gonna look good together. We have some washi tape here. You know, I love washi tape. And if you've seen my latest Instagram reel or TikTok, you will know that I'm running out of space on my new washi tape wall. So these are gonna definitely go on the wall though. I can tell you that right now. Okay, so I guess I'll swatch these because sometimes I get in trouble when I don't do that. Yeah, let's put this down. Ooh, look how pretty. I will just put them all a little bit on the paper so you can check them out yourself. I really like Archer and Olive washi tape. It's always beautiful and high quality. You know how sometimes washi tapes, like if you do this, they're like, they smush together. These don't do that. They're very like stable, you know. I find with the cheap washi tapes, they do that. And then with the nice ones, they don't. So this is a nicer one. We got that cute little leopard and then a leopard print here in pink. Perfect. Okay. Here is what they look like. Really, really, really cute. All right, next up, I'm just gonna reach in and grab something. We have coloring pages, which are always fun. I like to use these in my planner, like sometimes, and then like cut them up and stuff. But you can just use them to color. They're kind of relaxing, right, to color. Why is my desk dirty? Okay, so we have leaves, and then we have that leopard. And then we have more leaves like the Monstera leaves, which are my favorite leaves. So really cute, fun to color, relaxing. You can just sit down and do your thing. And you can use those calligraphs to color if you want or anything else. All right. I love all the packaging that come in these subscription boxes. Like that's one of my things that I love about these that are really fun. I love looking at the packaging because it feels so like high quality. All right. So we have, oh my goodness, what is this? Look, we have a bag, you guys. Look at this, it's big. It's hard to see on camera probably, but we have a bag that's gonna fit your journals in the middle, right? Or your planner, smaller planner. Probably will not fit a big happy planner, or it might. Let's check it out and see. Here is my daily. Oh, it will fit it if you put it this way. Okay, never mind. It definitely will fit, you know, whatever else you want to put in here. But then we have side pockets. There's 3 side pockets here. And there's 3 side pockets here. So this is really wide. Like here's my hand. You can fit a lot in here for sure. And it's this pretty like turquoisey, like light teal color, almost to mint green. It's really, really cute. They're calling it a storage tote, which it is. So you can carry all your planner and bullet journal supplies in this little guy. I think it's really cute. And it has this Archer and Olive logo on it in like this little leather. I don't know if it's actual leather, but it may be. This little leather thingy. Let's call it a thingy because I can't speak today or any day. Okay. Let's see. There's more. There is more. Look at this cute little pocket. What do you think this is? I think it's die cut stickers. If you ask me, it's die cut stickers. Let's see what they are. Oh my. The first one I see, look at him. Let's call him Charlie. He is a cutie. And then we have these. What are these? Oranges and leaves. Oh, I could make a whole spread with these. Look at these. We've got blue leaves and green leaves. They're very like whimsical. And you guys know, if you watch my channel, you know, if you know, you know, and you know that I love whimsical stuff. You know I do, if you know me. I just said no a lot of times. Anyway, look, a whole little jungle sticker situation. It is so cute. And those colors are just beautiful. The colors are so pretty. I love them. Okay. There's one more thing in the box, and in these subscription boxes, you almost always, I think always get a journal. I don't think there's been a box that I haven't gotten a journal. And they've been making these like the boxes with the journals in them, like themed, so that they match like the vibe of the box and the colors. And I think that's genius. I think it's really fun. So this is going to be a dot grid A5 journal. That is such a fun box. I actually really like using these boxes for props for my pictures and stuff. And like, I've also been using these boxes when I'm setting up my office here to store, like I turn them this way. If it's like one of the more boring ones, I really like this. I could put this on display, but I turn them on their side and like I use them in my drawer. I realize they fit in like the Alex drawers pretty well. Some of the sizes of these, I don't know about this one, but, and I've been putting like miscellaneous stickers in and stuff, like die cut stickers. It's really working out good. So that's a free, you know, way to find a little organizer for your drawer. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness. Like this color is so pretty. It's so beautiful. I love getting new journals, and I know I have too many, but I can't stop getting them because they bring me joy. It's the little things in life. Okay, so we have this smooth, like, what do they call this? I forget what they call this. It's like a leatherette kind of feel cover. It's like a hard cover. Okay, and then the elastic is the same, like really cool. I don't know what to call this color either. Aqua? Is it aqua? I call this color so many things in my videos. I don't know if you've noticed. I have to smell it because it smells good. So it's just dot grid, you know, dot grid. And then we have, of course, the ribbons are going to match, and they have the logo in gold. Really, really cute. And then in the journals, there's always like this little pocket back here. So perfect. Anyway, I think this was a really cool haul, and I'll show you again everything that's inside, and the stickers and the pens. So it is a very, these subscription boxes I think are worth usually worth around $200. And I think that they sell them for $70. It might be $75 now. I can't remember, but you can go check it out. Like I said, I will link it for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I am taking kind of a break in March, so there's going to be less videos in case you didn't see my last video talking about that. But yeah, I'm kind of filming things out of order right now. You can click off if you're not somebody who cares. Oh God. I'm kind of filming out of order. So this is like the second video I've filmed in my office and like my new studio. And there's stuff everywhere all over the place because I'm still trying to set it up. However, the one that I filmed first is going up next week. And that's when I'm like, hey, I'm filming my first video in my new office, but yet you're going to see this first. I hate it when I do that. It's like time traveling, and then you get things out of order and confusing. But what can I say? That is how it's got to be. And I think I did talk about it in that, but that didn't come out yet. Oh my gosh. So what I'm trying to say is, for March, since I am working so hard setting up this office and I have taxes and all this other stuff, I needed a break from the videos for a while. There are going to be less, but they're still going to be coming out. Don't worry, I will be back in April, pretty much getting back to normal. Maybe not 7 videos a week. That's a lot, you guys. That's a lot for anybody. But it will ramp up again, probably in April. In the meantime, I have nothing to say. In the meantime, I had like a really important point, and then poof, it left my brain because, hey, I got an ADD brain. What can I say? That is how it works. All right. I think I'm just digging myself into holes. So I will see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.